Back with breaking updates coming in on the controversy over the Lok Sabha speaker post after the opposition had dragged in the TDP as well as the JDU. The JDU has said that it is the BJP that has the first right. Big breaking coming in on the JDU clarifying its position on the Lok Sabha speaker post. Listen in.
देखिए, स्पीकर का पद सदन का सबसे ज्यादा मर्यादित पद होता है और जो रूलिंग पार्टी है पहला अधिकार उसी का होता है उस पद के लिए। तो जो इंडी गठबंधन की जो मांग है या जो उनके बयान हैं वो आपत्तिजनक है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी या एनडीए गठबंधन का पहला हक उस पद पर है और हमारी पार्टी का मानना है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी गठबंधन की बड़ी पार्टी है, वो उसका अधिकार पहले है, इसलिए इस पर की गई कवायद बेकार। हम पिछले 35 वर्षों से एनडीए में हैं। जब जॉर्ज फर्नांडिस, अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी, आडवाणी जी और नीतीश कुमार ने बनाया था, एक भी प्रयास ऐसा नहीं हुआ है कि बीजेपी ने जनता दल को तोड़ने का प्रयास किया।
My colleague Niyamika is joining us on the broadcast. Niyamika, to put things in perspective, the opposition had of course said that the JDU would want the speaker's post, but this is a big clarification that has come in from the JDU that it is the BJP that has the first right over the position.
Well, absolutely, as this is not a very first allegation which the India Bloc leader has made. As earlier also we have seen that how the India Bloc is seems to be quite confident that this is not a stable government, and for that reason now once again it is now Sanjay Raut who has made a claim in which he has said that if the BJP would not allow a TDP leader to become the speaker of the Lok Sabha, then the entire India alliance would support the candidate which will be fielded by the TDP. As he has once again given a statement in which he said that the NDA is not stable, and for that reason he said that it is a responsibility that the BJP should appoint a TDP leader as the speaker of the Lok Sabha. However, we have seen that how KC Tyagi, who is the JDU leader, has given a clarification, and he has said that it is the right of the BJP, which is the largest party, as to give their own leader to become the Lok Sabha speaker, and for that reason he has also said that JDU and TDP all are together, the NDA is united, and for that reason he said that we are going to support the candidate which will be given by the BJP. So clearly a war of words has erupted as the India Alliance leaders are continuously making statements. They are making allegations that the NDA is not stable, it is not going to form a stable government, and after that only now a debate has started regarding the name over the Lok Sabha speaker.
Okay, all right. And remember, the opposition, the India Bloc, had also claimed that a similar fight.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.